The tank engine was grumbling to the other engines. I spent my time pulling coaches for you lot to pull. The other engines laughed. Why can't I pull passenger trains too? You're too impatient, they said. You'll be sure to leave something behind. Rubbish, said Thomas. I'll show you. One night, he and Henry were alone. The man worked hard, but he didn't get better. He felt just as bad this morning. Thomas had to get his coaches ready so Henry could pull the first train of the day. If Henry is ill, he thought, maybe perhaps I shall pull his coaches. Come on, he fussed. There's plenty of time, they responded. Thomas took them to the platform, and he wanted to run around at once. The driver spoke to him. Don't be impatient, said Thomas. You will never... I forgot. Thomas waited and waited. The people got in. The garden station master walked up and down. The porter banged the doors. But still Henry didn't come. Thomas got more and more excited. The fat controller came to see what was the matter. So the garden station master told him about Henry. Find another engine, he ordered. There's only Thomas, they said. You will have to do it then, Thomas. Be quick now. Don't be impatient, said his driver, but Thomas was too excited to listen. What happened then, no one knows. Perhaps they forgot to couple up Thomas to the train, or the driver pulled the lever by mistake. Anyhow, Thomas kept going. Henry said it's hard to pull a train, but I think it's easy. Hurry, 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 he puffed, pretending to be like Gordon. No one ever seen me pulling a train, and it's nice that they wave. Then he blew up at the people. Thank you, he said to the people. Then he came to a single left danger. I must stop, and I was going so nicely too. What a nuisance signals are. He blew it angry in his whistle. The signalman ran up to them. Hello, Thomas, he said. What are you doing here? I'm pulling a train, can't you see? Then where are your coaches? Thomas looked back. Oh no, I think I've forgotten about my coaches. Yes, said the signalman. You have to go back and fetch them in time before James runs into them. What? Is that why the signal said at danger? Yeah. Oh. He was going back. It was a very sad engine now. Thomas felt very miserable. He was so sad that he didn't even slow down when he raced down this hill. The passengers were complaining, "We want our money back." But when they saw Thomas, they felt bad.